I'd like to thank Sonam. Everything Filmfare does has to begin and end with Sonam. So this new endeavor also, we couldn't think of a better person to merge style and glamour but Sonam. So thank you very much. And I know you guys are geared up for yet another event. So thank you again for your patience. And we need all your blessings for this new endeavor of us. Thank you.
Thank you. And may I now request Sonam Kapoor to say a few words, and might I also add that she looks sensational as usual.
Thank you. That's very kind. I'm very, very happy to be here. I think this is like the 6th press conference that I've done with Filmfare for some event that they've tried to. The reason I try to associate myself as much as I can with Filmfare is because everything they do comes from a place of spectacularness. I've just made that word up. And yes, being glamorous and being stylish is something that movie stars love to do. I love to do it. And I think it's amazing that we are, kind of giving awards to people that are stylish and glamorous. Maybe I'll get my first Filmfare award because of that. Acting छोड़ दो, nominations होते रहते हैं, अभी मुझे award इसके लिए मिल जाएगा. So I'm quite happy that they've started this award ceremony, and I'm quite excited to be here and to start this award function to get it going. Thank you for being here, guys.
Fantastic. May I request all three of you all to unveil the official logo for the Ciroc Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards.
You're called this fashion icon and glam. Do you yourself have, what is your definition of glamour and style? And do you have icons who you look up to?
Honestly, I've said this time and time again. There is a huge bunch of people who work on me. I have a stylist, I have a makeup artist, I have a hairstylist, and it takes a lot to make me look like this. That's true. It's true. And hope are y'all giving them something like the best makeup artist in Merhez? You have to. And I take pride in myself. I think a lot of our generation has kind of become a little too casual, which is also really nice. Sometimes I want to be in my sweats, but the whole idea of being a film actor and being a part of cinema is about glamour and is about getting ready and doing your makeup in the makeup chair with the makeup lights on and putting that powder on your face and getting your hair done. It's the ultimate movie star moment, and I love it, and I thrive in it. So, yeah. I love the whole feather thing. Everybody's using a lot of feathers, especially in the couture shows. I love the origami kind of, which is, this outfit is like that. And I like color, a lot of color that I'm going to use. Also, it's very strange, there's a lot of color and there's a lot of black and white. Like there's a lot of stark black and white, lots of, geometry in the clothes, which I think is quite fascinating. It's very Japanese, Zen kind of thing that's going on. But what was really spectacular this season was the ode to kind of old Hollywood glamour, old film glamour. And I think Elie Saab did that spectacularly. There was spotlights, there was butterflies, there was sparkles, and, it was unabashed gorgeousness. Everybody tries to do fashion and to try to do something completely different and tries to be out there. But there are very few people who very confidently say that this is how a woman should be, this is how a woman should dress. And I love that. I think just to be really feminine and really sensual and gorgeous. And I'm going to try and do that, this year, hopefully, just to be like really sexy.
As in, we saw the Elie Saab outfits, and I kind of had you in mind that we're going to spot Sonam someday.
I hope so. I'm trying to figure out like which one, but I want to wear one. Right. Seriously soon. Yeah.
We'll look forward to that.
Thank you.
Well, the biggest change is that you have all the fashion magazines which put film stars on the cover. So movie stars, like in the West, you have models being fashion icons. You have, huge stars, models, and all of them who are huge. Here you have movie stars.
But that's in the West also now, Jits.
Yeah, it is. But if you see in India, in the last 5 years, this trend has happened. you know, and I think you have to credit it to her because she really made everybody conscious of what they're wearing. So, oh no, Sonam's coming. So then we have to all get dressed and, you know. So she's sort of upped the ante and scale for most of film stars in the country. And I'm not much of a fashionista, but I can tell you it was like the red carpet was like a bevy of, oomph, glamour, and like serious movie star moments, thanks to the fashion and the kind of clothes that they all wore.
We all are still waiting for your comment on AIB.
I think I said whatever I had to say online, on Twitter.
Promise that day.
Yeah, so I
we would
promise
like
you.
to-
You know what I've said on Twitter, right? You guys have read my comments on Twitter. You're very welcome to publish that. I've said whatever I have to say. I've made the comments, and I said what I had to say because I saw the show, and whatever I've said is on Twitter. That is my statement on it. For me, that's exactly what I have to say. I love the comments that AIB already made. See, it doesn't matter what the content is. People should be allowed to put out anything that they want out there. I don't believe in censorship, to be very honest. And I think that's all that I have to say. That's it.
Sonam, are you happy that the video is finally taken down from the website and it's not there? You need a sign in now.
I said what I have to say. I don't think like I said, I don't believe in censorship.
But Twitter has limited access. Not many people, have Twitter accounts. So through
That's
television
not in,
media,
not
if we
in,
could
not,
have.
not in India, and it's really unfortunate. AIB has taken it down themselves.
Sonam, I want to know which is the best glamorous and stylish unmarried couple in Bollywood according to you?
Unmarried.
Yeah, who is not married?
Who's not married? I don't know who's not married. Who's a couple? They don't actually talk
Oh,
about
you're
it.
insider of Bollywood, you know everything. We know that, you know everything.
I know everything, but honestly, like whoever have been couples, like even I don't know, since I don't like attend too many of I don't know them very. I have like a couple of friends. They're all single actually in the industry, but who's unmarried? A few couples.
Ranveer,
Ranbir, Katrina. Those are the only ones, right? Are they have they
Ranbir,
said that they're a
Deepika.
couple? Because I'm so scared about saying that they are.
Ranveer, Deepika, Ranbir, Katrina.
Yeah, Ranbir, Katrina, I guess. Okay.
And apparently Arjun Sonakshi, we don't know which whether it's
No comments. Honestly, as Indians, we have lots of body issues. And all I have to tell girls is dress for your body type. Don't be uncomfortable with the fact that you're all different sizes and shapes and colors. As long as you feel comfortable and look comfortable and feel beautiful, you will look beautiful. Don't try to ape people like me or whoever else there is, because like I said, it takes a lot for me to look like this. And a lot of money is spent on it also, trust me. So just don't get into it. Be normal, be beautiful, and just be original. As long as you're original, you'll automatically be stylish.
सोनम, आपको तो स्टाइल आइकॉन माना जाता है।
शुक्रिया।
आप अपने अलावा बॉलीवुड में किसे मानती हैं जो सबसे ज़्यादा फैशन?
जो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत स्टाइलिश है, रेखा। मुझे लगता है कि जब आप अंदर से खूबसूरत फील करते हैं और आप एथनिक कपड़े, शी इज़ वेयरिंग अ कांजीवरम साड़ीज़, वो लाल लिपस्टिक डालती हैं, उनके बाल इतनी खूबसूरती से खुले रहते हैं, वो एकदम एथनिक ज्वेलरी पहनती हैं। देयर इज़ अ डिस्टिंक्ट स्टाइल टू रेखा। वो लुक आप सिर्फ रेखा को एट्रीब्यूट कर सकती हैं। एंड वो मेरे लिए सबसे, जैसे कि अगर आप शर्मिला टैगोर के बारे में बात करेंगे तो उनकी भी एक डिस्टिंक्ट लुक है। साधना, जब यस्टरडे हीरोइंस, दे ऑलवेज हैड अ डिस्टिंक्ट लुक। आई फील कि वो आजकल मिसिंग है। सारी हीरोइंस एक जैसे लगती हैं। एक डिस्टिंक्ट लुक होना चाहिए, एक डिस्टिंक्ट वाइब होना चाहिए। मुझे कल्कि मुझे लगता है कि वो भी डिस्टिंक्ट है, टू अ सर्टन एक्सटेंट। उसकी वाइब थोड़ी डिस्टिंक्ट है। कंगना टू अ सर्टन एक्सटेंट। ये दोनों जो है वो उनका अपना स्टाइल है, उनका अपना एक क्लास है जो बहुत कम आजकल की हीरोइंस में होता है, एंड वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है।
यानी कि दीपिका, कैटरीना, इनको आप अपनी कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं
जी, वो
मानती?
बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, बहुत ही ग्लैमरस है, बट लाइक आई सेड, आई प्रेफर कल्कि एंड कंगना। सबसे स्टाइलिश मेरी फैमिली में मेरी बहन है। वो हम सबको स्टाइलिश बना देती है। अर्जुन के कपड़े करती है, भाई के कपड़े, मेरे हर्ष के कपड़े करती है, मेरे डैड के कपड़े करते हैं, मेरे कपड़े की स्टाइलिस्ट है। सो या ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक रिया का सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस ऑफ स्टाइल है। मेरी मम्मी भी बहुत ही स्टाइलिश है, बट वो भी बहुत ही एथनिक ड्रेस करती है।
आपने बोला ना कि हम जो आपने ट्वीट किया है उसको हम लोग पब्लिश कर सकते हैं, तो आपने ट्वीट हटा क्यों दिया, डिलीट
मैंने
क्यों
नहीं
कर दिया?
हटाया है। आप जाके आप इतने क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे तो आप रिसर्च भी कीजिए और मेरे ट्विटर पेज पे जाइए, मैंने कुछ डिलीट नहीं किया है। शुक्रिया। जो हमारी फिल्म्स हैं और फैशन और ग्लैमर हैं वो एक साथ जुड़ गए हैं आजकल। एक्चुअली ये तो पहले से ही है। अगर आप कोई भी स्टाइल आइकॉन को देखें, जो भी ग्लैमर आइकॉन को देखें येस्टर ईयर से, वो सब जो है वो दे आर ऑल वेरी स्टाइलिश एंड ग्लैमरस। मधुबाला, मीना कुमारी, शर्मिला टैगोर, नूतन, उन्होंने पहली बार उन्होंने पैंट पहना था, स्विमसूट भी उन्होंने पहली बार पहना था, आपको पता है। तो ये सब, ये फैशन और ग्लैमर और स्टाइल ये फिल्मों से बहुत 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 अच्छी तरह से तेज़ी से हाँ बहुत ही अच्छी से जुड़ा हुआ है। एंड ऑनेस्टली उन्होंने ये कहना चाहते हैं कि जैसे कि अगर आप कोई भी अवार्ड सेरेमनी देखें इंटरनेशनली भी, वहाँ बहुत सारे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को, कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइनर्स को, इन सबको अवार्ड्स मिलते हैं। बहुत सारे से स्टाइलिश अवार्ड्स है। वैनिटी फेयर जो मैगज़ीन है वो भी स्टाइल अवार्ड्स देती हैं। एंड आई थिंक इट्स इज़ एन अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्चुअली टॉक अबाउट ग्लैमर एंड स्टाइल, जो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए।
Sonam, talking about your film, you know, in Prem Ratan, everybody is excited to know about your style and what are you wearing. So could you share anything?
तो दिवाली में रिलीज होने वाला है। ओह, एम आई टॉकिंग टू यू ऑल्सो इन हिंदी? हाँ, पर ठीक है, वो दिवाली में रिलीज होने वाला है। और मैंने अनामिका खन्ना के कपड़े पहने हैं उसमें, और जो ज्वेलरी पहना है वो मेरी मम्मी की ज्वेलरी है, और थोड़ा बहुत मैंने आम्रपाली से भी लिया है। लास्ट टाइम जब मैंने ये एक्चुअली प्रेस को पहले भी बोला है, द लास्ट टाइम जब हमने वर्ल्ड कप जीता था तो मैं हॉस्पिटल में थी और मेरी तबीयत बहुत ही ख़राब थी, और इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि आज दिस टाइम वी शुड कीप द ट्रॉफी, वी शुड डिफेंड द ट्रॉफी, और प्लीज़ जीत जाओ तो मैं भी इस बार रोड पे नाच सकूँ। बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम आई वॉज वेरी सैड दैट आई वॉज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द पार्टी। ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइज, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग, थैंक यू।